Hi Taurus, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na impormasyon or messages para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Taurus. Let's see ano yung mga energies and messages for you, mga paparating, mga nagabay at mensahe for Taurus. 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 Oh. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong uncertainty in your situation about two path, okay? Dalawang direksyon. Parang it seems nasa gitna kayo, no? You don't know which one para sa inyo or ano yung pipiliin or tatahakin ninyo. Okay? You will be focusing on your job. Okay? There will be success in your money, in your finances, in your creativity. Okay? So, keep on believing on yourself. Be confident in your situation. Okay? Yeah, merong isolation on your part, reflecting on your sa inyong reflecting your intent, your situation, okay? Introspection over a past events. There is a sudden change, okay? Or pagyanig ng inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Yeah, because there will be an end of a difficult time for you, okay? Positive change is coming. Taurus. Tingnan natin. Ano yung the moon? The moon. Yeah, Four of Swords. Okay? You need mental clarity. Okay? Siguro masyado kayo nag-iisip. Merong fear about your future or your situation. Taurus, you're thinking about, iniisip mo yung kinabukasan. Okay? And meron kayong mga choices or decision na kailangan gawin. Okay? Yeah, kailangan mo ipahinga ang inyong isip. Okay? Or ang inyong katawan. Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about forgiving. Okay? Thinking about healing and forgiving. Okay? The Sun. Yeah. A blissful joy. Victory that you that is well earned or well deserved, okay, will be yours, Taurus. Okay, merong success, okay, light at the end of the tunnel. Okay. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan ang uncertainty in your situation, yung doubts and fears, okay. Magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity. Ten of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Okay? You will be coming out from difficulties. No? Most especially pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? Page of Cups. There will be support. Okay? Someone will be asking for your forgiveness for some of you. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there will be a fresh start or a new beginnings about relationship. Okay? After some time of separation or after some time of emotional distance, okay? Magkakaroon ng offer. Emotional offer. Or someone will be apologizing to you. Knight of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, magkakaroon ng solusyon. Kung ano man to yung uncertainty or fears or insecurities in the relationship. Okay? Magkakaroon ng solusyon. There will be light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-uunlad. Yeah. Someone will be offering or will be taking action towards you. A message of love. Okay? Yeah, because someone is working on it. Okay? They want to fix something with you, Taurus. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Dahil merong regrets. Okay? Kung merong ginawa sa inyo na hindi maganda, or hindi kayo binigyan ng attention or ng pansin, hindi kayo binigyan ng kahalagahan, okay? That person will be apologizing, okay? Magpaparamdam sa inyo dahil merong regrets sa part niya or pagsisisi, okay? Someone will be taking action to fix the relationship. That is for some of you. Okay, so 9 of Wands, 2 of Wands. Okay, be confident in yourself. When it comes to work, plan for the future. Okay, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, thinking about partnership and expansion. Most especially, pagdating sa work. Okay, or business. Yeah. There is a pursuit of goals on your part. Okay. So keep believe in yourself. Okay. Be confident. Yeah, for some of you, you will be protective of yourself. Because someone will be entering your life. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Yeah. Maybe someone wants to have a new beginning with you and you are not that confident enough to accept it. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there will be an offer of job and titingnan ninyo kung ano yung direksyon na para sa inyo. Okay? 9 of Cups. Six of Swords. Okay. Excuse me. From darkness to lightness. There will be victory and success. Things are looking up. There will be a wish fulfillment or happiness on your part. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong offer about job. Okay? And this is something na magbigay sa inyo ng stability when it comes to your finances. Okay? This is a good job for you. Yeah. Six of Swords. Yeah, for some of you, you are moving beyond past pains and you feel proud, you feel happy right now. Yeah, Page of Swords. Someone is stalking you, okay? Nagsaspy, kumukuha ng information about you. They know that you are moving towards calmer waters. Yeah. Yeah, someone is thinking about you. Knight of Pentacles. Merong someone na magbibigay sa inyo ng good news about money, about creativity. Okay? Yeah, kung meron kayong plans or naisip na mga like creative ideas, or you will be launching a business, if you are an entrepreneur, okay? May mga kailangang gawin doon or kailangang tapusin, okay? So, honor your commitment for some of you, Taurus. Yeah, King of Swords. Okay. Good news about money and about business. Okay. There is an awakening on your part. Merong sense of authority, okay? On your part, merong clarity in your situation. Okay? King of Cups. Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking about someone, maybe about a father of your child or a husband, okay? You are gaining clarity about them. Five of Swords. Okay. So, kung meron mang hindi pagkakaintindihan, meron kayong conflict, okay? Merong spiritual growth within you. You will be emotionally secured. Okay? Yeah. Someone wants to make peace with you, Taurus. Three of Pentacles. Okay. Tingnan natin anong Three of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Okay. May sudden na change na mangyayari. Most especially in your work. Okay. Or maybe this person wants to work things out with you and that you will have to make a decision. Yeah. For some of you, you don't want to see it. Ayaw mong tingnan yun. Ayaw mong harapin. You don't want to choose. You don't want to decide. Okay? But this is something parang unexpected or surprise na situation para sa inyo. Okay? Ten of Swords. Ano itong Ten of Swords? There will be a beginning, new beginning for you, a beginning of a cycle because you are ending something na you are ending a disappointment, a difficulties in your life, you are ending a deception. Okay, yung mga tao or sitwasyon na nagpapahirap sa inyo. You are ending this. There will be a new beginning for you, a new cycle, Taurus. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are tying loose ends. Okay. the end of a current pain and chaos. What is this Ten of Swords? Yeah, Judgment again. So there will be a new direction in your life. Okay? So meron kayong realization, a wake-up call sa buhay mo or sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? This is Judgment. The Star and healing. Okay? There is healing within you. Also, there is victory, siksikliglig na blessings para sa inyo. Yeah. You're ending a difficult situation, a difficult or a current pain, a current, yung present ngayon na gulo or chaos sa inyong buhay. Okay? So, there will be a new beginning for you. Okay? Blessings and abundance are plentiful in your life. Okay? Yeah. There is a sudden change, okay, na magbabago ng life ninyo in a positive way. Yeah. For some of you, you have to make a decision. You have to make you have to choose. Okay? Maybe this is about work na kailangan mong pag-isipan or pag-desisyonan. Okay, just take what resonates for you. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, but these are the energies and the messages for you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there is abundance, self-care, and self-love. You are working on it. There is stability towards you. Okay? You are very direct sa gusto mong mangyari about sa pag-uunlad ninyo. Okay? Sa sarili mo man to, sa negosyo, sa business, you are doing well. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you need to speak kind words. Yeah, if someone wants to approach you, okay, and offer you something. Because now you want, you know what you want, Taurus. Okay? May bagong direksyon na paparating sa inyo. Okay? A positive change. Additional message for Taurus. Alchemy, using witchcraft, occult, and learning God's secret. Transform the situation. Yeah, for some of you, you are manifesting things to happen. You are manifesting your dreams. Okay? Merong money matters. Expense, save, cut costs, resource, plan ahead. Make an informed choice. Invest your money wisely. Okay, that is one message for you. Vacation. Start a perfect vacation and enjoy the freedom. Take time to recharge. Yeah. Additional message for Taurus. Ask for your needs to be met. God and the angels can come to your aid only if you make a free will choice to be helped, and it begins with asking. It doesn't matter how you ask God for help, but only that you do so. The same holds true with clearly asking other people to assist you. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Taurus. All the best sa inyo, and see you on the next video. Bye!